today's video, I'll be showing you how you can become a profitable trader, or how you can move from just being a normal or a beginner trader to being profitable in Deriv, or basically in trading. All right. And as we begin, guys, please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever we upload new videos. So let us get directly into it. So the first thing, guys, when you want to become a profitable trader, first thing, okay, because at times when you want to start learning to trade, you might be wondering, where do I start from? Okay, it might be confusing. Okay, now if your aim is to become a profitable trader, especially if you're a beginner, this is what you do. First of all, identify a good mentor or a good source of learning. Luckily for you guys, in the DerivNavigator Academy, we are fully catered to making you a better trader, and we have all the lessons that you will need. So we got you covered in that area. All right, so basically find a mentor who will teach you a proven strategy. All right, be it over, under, even odd, matches and differs. Guys, in this channel we have every strategy for every trade type that you might think of. All right, we have it. So just click on the name of the channel, go to playlists, and you will see the different categories of videos that we have for you, okay, including introduction. Now once you do that, once you have identified a mentor, once you have identified a good source of trading, a good place to start learning from, this is what you do next. Now as you learn, okay, don't just watch the videos as if you're watching a show. All right, don't just sit there and watch 10 videos in a row and then now start practicing. No, watch one video, go to your demo account, and then try to implement the strategies or the things you have learned from the video. After every video, ensure you go to your demo account and practice. I repeat, after every video, ensure you go to your account and practice. Okay, now once you do that, guys, all right, and you feel after some time, let's say you have done that for about, okay, so some people usually ask me how long should you learn? All right, it varies. It depends on the effort you put in. If you put all your effort into trading, within 1 to 2 months you will be ready. But if you just learn it part-time, it might take you some time, and do not rush the process. I've repeated this in many videos, never rush. If you learn inadequately and you proceed to trade, you might incur losses, so please don't rush. Okay, now the other thing, guys, so first of all, you've identified a mentor, you've identified a good place to learn, you have learned, you have practiced the strategies on demo, and now you feel you are ready to start trading on your real account. This is what you do next. All right, this is what you do next. Now ensure first of all you have mastered a few strategies before you go to your real account. Okay, ensure you have practiced them enough in demo, because if you do not do that, you might incur some losses. Now after you do that, it is time to trade. Now when you are trading, this is what you should do. Anytime you trade, ensure you set a daily profit target. It is very dangerous to trade without a target, because like, what will be the end? Like, at what point will you be satisfied? Because in trading, if you do not have a target, you will end up blowing your account, because you will make $10 and then you'll tell yourself, let me make 15. You make 15, you tell yourself, let me make 30. You make 30, you want to make 60. You want to make 60. In the process of trying to make it 200, you lose the entire 60. So anytime you start trading on your real account, ensure you set a profit target. You say, today I'm targeting $20. If I make $20, I'm okay, and I will exit the market. And please adhere to that, because setting a profit target will give you discipline. It will make you avoid something called overtrading, and it will enable you to grow your account consistently without hustling or having this problem of revenge trading, which makes a lot of people lose their accounts. Remember, the purpose here is to become profitable. As I have said in many videos, it is better to make a $20 profit than a $1,000 loss. So the aim is to become profitable, because the more profitable you become, the more the profits become. All right, so please adhere to that. Now after that, okay, as you set the daily profit target, also use strong risk management. Especially if you are starting, use strong risk management. Only risk 1 to 3% of your account as you are starting out, or even as an experienced trader. Okay, some people risk about 50%, which is fine. Some people even risk their entire account, which is very dangerous, but it's fine. So in trading, there is something called risk reward. In trading, the more risk you can endure, you are rewarded more for it. Let's say you are trading, let's say I'm trading even. All right, if I'm trading even, with $80, I will get 156 in one run. But if I use only $2 as my stake, it will take me a lot of runs to actually achieve the same amount if I would have used 80. But it is better because I'll be able to grow my 2 slowly, because with the 81 I can lose the entire amount. So if the $80 was the only stake that I had, I will lose all of it. All right, so ensure you use strong risk management. Okay, so by the way, I can advise every trader, ensure you use risk management. Okay, it is very okay, some trade types require you to risk more than 50% of your account, but if you feel you're not ready to do that, please don't risk it. You only use a risk that you can afford to manage. Especially if you're starting out, guys, please use strong risk management. Don't go and start risking your account. Don't go and start risking more than 30%, more than 50%, more than 60%. It will become difficult for you to recover losses. Okay, so ensure you use 1 to 3%. That will enable you to grow your account as you learn from your losses, because losses are there. I won't lie to you. All right, you cannot avoid losses in trading. What you can do is reduce them so that at the end of the day you have enough profits. All right, is that all right, guys? Yeah, so ensure you listen to that. Use strong risk management and ensure you have a daily target that you'll be adhering to. Okay, avoid using full margin. Never risk your entire account. That is one thing that no trader should do. No trader should risk, and unless you are okay, you are very okay losing that amount, but never risk your entire account or use full margin. Only risk 1 to 3% is the safe spot. The safe spot. That is a spot whereby it will become difficult for you to blow your account. Okay? Now let us go to the other thing. Trading at the right time. Guys, ensure you only trade at the time whereby the setup is correct. Now let's say you have learned about over 3. Ensure the percentages for over 3 or the conditions for over 3 are all satisfied. If the market is unstable, if it looks showy, please don't trade it. Just exit the market, come back another time. But ensure you trade the right time. Ensure the markets are situated correctly. If you're trading rise and fall and you see the market is all over the place, don't trade it. Only trade it where the market is stable. All right, because trading when the market is unstable will result in losses. And remember, that is one thing that you are avoiding in this situation. All right, so trade at the right time. All right, somebody asked me, what time should I trade? Now when you're trading volatilities, you can trade at any time because they run 24/7. Okay, so in volatilities, just ensure you anytime you trade, ensure you're fully alert, ensure you're fully aware of everything that is going on, and you'll make your profit. Don't be sleepy, don't be tired, don't be what can I say, too fatigued, because that can affect your decision making. When you're trading Forex, now that is different. Okay, I'll be making a video on that, on the best times for trading. But when you're trading volatilities, you can trade at any time, but ensure whatever time you're trading, you're fully alert. All right. Now the other thing, guys, use a trading bot. Yeah, use a trading bot. In trading, it is especially in Deriv, you are very lucky, guys, because you can be able to implement trading bots. It is very easy for you to become profitable when you're using trading bots every day, because trading bots, first of all, eliminate that thing called fatigue. Because especially if you're trading differs, you need to do a lot of runs to experience a good amount of profit. Or if you're trading over 1 or under 8, it becomes difficult for you to experience good profits, especially if you're trading manually. But when you're trading with a bot, you'll experience good profits, all right, without necessarily fatiguing yourself. All right. Yeah, and ensure you have a good bot. That is why I usually offer excellent bots at a very affordable price. I usually offer more than 100 trading bots very, very affordably. And if you're interested with the bots, my number is in the description down below. Now, so ensure you use the good bots, because bots will enable you to execute trades more. Okay, bots basically what they do is that they'll help you execute trades faster and more accurately. All right, thus making you become more profitable. I'll be making a video after this about how to become profitable with bots. So please ensure you watch it, and I will link it once I upload it in the description down below. Now, the other thing and the last thing is control your emotions. Guys, let me tell you, now, if you're a beginner and you have not entered trading, let me tell you and let me give you a warning. You will experience all types of emotions. You'll experience happiness, you will experience sadness, you'll be anxious, you'll worry a lot. So in trading, emotions will be there, especially once you start trading with your real money. you will feel it. All right, anxiousness will be there. You'll be so worried that you might blow your money. You'll be so happy when you make good profits. You'll be nervous as to what you'll do if it doesn't work out, and so on. But one thing that you should not allow is allow those emotions to control you. Once you allow your emotions to control you in trading, that is the beginning of your downfall. Okay, because there's some emotions like anger, especially anger. Now, anger is one dangerous emotion in trading, because let's say you have lost $10 and you had an account of 15. So you have remained with 5. All right. Now, trying to revenge and recover that $10 might make you lose the entire $5. All right. Revenge trading is caused by anger, and that is one thing that has killed a lot of traders' accounts. That is one thing that has eliminated and obliterated a lot of traders' accounts. Please don't let emotions control you. Once emotions control you, you are done, and you are done. So please don't let emotions control you. All right? Yeah, so basically those are the things, those are the steps for you as a trader to become profitable. All right? I'll repeat. First of all, find a good mentor, find a good source of learning, which I've said this channel is excellent at that. The second thing, use your demo account to practice until you feel ready to start trading on your real account. All right. The third thing, once you start trading on your real account, ensure you set a daily target and a strong risk management. All right. The other step, number 4, is ensure you trade at the right time and when the markets are stable. Failure to do that might lead to losses. The other thing is use trading bots. Trading bots are very nice in trading, and in Deriv, we are very privileged to be able to use them. So ensure you have good bots, which I've said that you offer at very, very affordably. Okay, there's no need for you to get a free bot, but that free bot will end up costing you more than you have actually spent on good bots. Okay, and the other thing, and the last thing, is ensure you control your emotions while trading. Once you implement all this, guys, you'll become profitable. All right. If you have any question pertaining this, guys, please put it down in the comment section and I will answer you. If you have any question, WhatsApp me, my number is in the description. And if you need the materials, as I've said, I'll give you excellent and beautiful bots, very, very affordably, and I mean more than 100, extremely affordably. My WhatsApp number is in the description. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, please make sure you like, and please make sure you share to anyone who you know is interested in trading, so that they don't miss out. And if you want to see more of this, please make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever we upload new videos. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one.